Hi guys, today we are making a Paneer Tikka Pizza from the leftover rotis and it has turned out just like a thin crust pizza available in the restaurants. So let's check out the recipe. For Paneer Tikka, add about 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, saute it for a while. Then add paneer cubes. I have taken approx 200 grams of paneer. Saute it well again. Next add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon haldi. Add some salt. Give it a good mix. The paneer has to be coated well with the spices. Next, sprinkle some Kasoori methi and add 1 tablespoon of thick curd. I have taken 1 big capsicum and 1 onion cut into cubes and I'm adding them at the end so that they remain crunchy enough when I make a pizza. The paneer tikka is now ready. Next, let's make the pizza sauce. For this, take 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon oregano and 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Mix it well. The pizza sauce is ready. Next, on the tawa, apply little butter and put the leftover chapati on top of the tawa. Then apply the sauce evenly. Next, add the paneer tikka and spread it evenly. Next, add some cheese. Cover and cook for 2 minutes on a low flame so that as the cheese melts, the chapati also becomes hard and crisp just like a thin crust pizza. Our pizza is now ready. It is super tasty and just like a thin crust pizza in the restaurants. Do try this and let us know in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to subscribe for more such recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.